surprisingly, I'm not that hungry. You know, ever since I got food poisoning, like a month ago, I got food poisoning from that bacon. Maybe it was 2 months ago. Ever since then, my appetite has been like really like low. Yeah, I want to like in salons here. It's like if you go to a nice salon, it's like 250. The one I go to in Phuket is 250, but that's considered really expensive. But I like them. Like they do a good job. I didn't bring my raincoat. Let's go buy a raincoat. Let's go buy a raincoat. I think yeah, the storm is coming. You see, it's windy. There, the mall. Let's go buy a raincoat. Because I see the wind is picking up a lot. You know what I really want to eat? I always want to eat ahan tam sam. Like very simple, rice with I wantหมูทอดกระเทียม so it's like fried pork, like in garlic fried pork. No. Hi, DP. So, raincoat and new mask. Brunch time. This is afternoon. Is it still considered brunch? We're in the mall now, which I feel very safe. I want to look for a salon too. Curious about the salon price at the mall. Because I don't know about any salons nearby. Sort of brunch if we do not take breakfast. Yeah.
Can I get a higher?
Wait, what? Yeah. Yeah. Hey. Hey, Dinesh. Hello. No, Brittany, haircut, please. Okay. I thought I saw online. Are you still hyping up from last night? Hey Skittles, hey. Thank you. I think I'm ready to poop for the biddies. And the songs, the hype. There's Barbecue Plaza, there's Otoya. I have no clue where the hair wash is, but let's see. I know I can get a mask here. Get one on my head. Australia. Oh, this is this. Oh, this is BTS. Nice. That's so nice. You can just get off from the BTS and from the mall. Yeah, that's nice. That connects. The mall connects straight to the BTS, which then connects straight to my hotel. It's perfect. Perfect. Hatsuban ramen. Pepper lunch. Maybe upstairs. Oh, I swear to God. My ribs are feeling funny. Is it possible to dislocate a rib from dancing too much? Woo. The only thing about getting food like from us, like like box food, is that I don't have a place to sit and eat. I just want, a place to sit and eat, make it easy. The Secret of Dumbledore. At the end of the movie, I was like, wait, what was Dumbledore's secret? Okay, there's a salon here. It's probably very pricey, but it's a mall salon. I just want to know how much is to wash shampoo blow dry. Oh, 200 to 300. And 200 baht, yeah. For straight dry. Yeah, wavy dry is 300 to 500. Jesus Christ. My place is 250 for a wavy dry. Jeez. This is no. This is Onwood. Okay, I actually don't know. It's turn. Pandaland? Whoa, there are games and stuff. Scamland, yeah. They should call it Scamland.